Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add bulk users in Google Workspace. If you're managing a growing team or need to onboard multiple employees at once, this feature will save you hours of manual entry by letting you upload everyone at the same time through a simple CSV file. First, open a web browser and navigate to admin.google.com. This is your central hub for managing everything related to your Google Workspace environment. Once you're there, sign in using your Google Workspace Administrator account. Make sure you're using an account with admin privileges, as standard users won't have access to these management tools. After signing in, you'll land on the Admin Console homepage. From here, look for and click on the option labeled Users. This section gives you complete control over user management, including adding, editing, and removing people from your workspace. It's where all your employee accounts live and where you can manage their permissions and settings. Once you're in the Users section, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll find the Bulk Update Users option. Click on it. This feature is specifically designed for situations where you need to add or modify multiple user accounts simultaneously, which is far more efficient than creating accounts one by one. A pop-up window will appear on your screen. This window is important because it allows you to download the CSV template you'll need for the bulk upload. The template ensures your data is formatted correctly, so the system can read and process it without errors. Go ahead and download this template if you haven't already prepared your CSV file. Next, click on Attach CSV File. This prompts your system to open a file browser. Navigate to the location where you've saved your prepared CSV file, the one containing all your user information like names, email addresses, and any other relevant details. Select the file to attach it. After selecting your file, click the Upload option to begin processing. The system will now read through your CSV file and start creating the user accounts based on the information you provided. This step validates the data and prepares everything for implementation. Finally, wait for the system to process the file completely. Once finished, Google Workspace will display a summary of actions showing you how many users were successfully added and if there were any errors that need attention. This summary helps you confirm everything went smoothly. Thanks for watching.